Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive straight in to learn how to use Notion for managing your wedding guest list. Notion is a powerful tool that helps you stay organized, so let's get started. First off, open up Notion and create a new page titled Wedding Guest Management. This is where you'll be keeping track of all your guests. It's important because it helps us centralize all our information in one place. Next up, add a table to your page. To do this, type /table and hit enter. This is the skeleton where we'll input all our guest information. It's like our personal digital directory. Now it's time to customize your table. Add columns for name, RSVP, dietary restrictions, gift received, and any other details you want to keep track of. This way, everything you need to know about a guest will be right there in front of you. The reason we do this is because it allows for a smoother planning process. For instance, you can easily see who hasn't RSVP'd yet or who has specific dietary restrictions. Now that we've done that, populate the table with your guest details. As you receive RSVPs and gifts, update the table accordingly. This helps us because it keeps everything up to date and avoids any last-minute surprises. Let me explain why this matters. With everything in one place, you can focus on enjoying your big day rather than stressing about guest management. Finally, don't forget to regularly back up your Notion page. You don't want to lose any important updates or changes. And that's it. You've just set up a system to manage your wedding guests using Notion. It's easy, organized, and effective. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel. Until next time.